Hello everyone, I am Ritik Minaria, and as you know, the Vidhan Sabha elections of Rajasthan are going on. So I am standing at a local polling booth at a Fateh school. So we have two political leaders from two different parties. So one is Pratik Minaria and other is Rahul Gandhi. No, Rahul Dangi. Rahul Dangi is there. So Rahul Dangi, according to you, why elections are important?
Election is more important because election is only way that we can get respect from local peoples. Otherwise, nobody ask us for voter.
Okay, it's a way of getting respect. So Pratik, what do you think about this?
So according to me, election is very important because by local election campaigning, we can get lots of younger politician and as my friend said that no one ask for voter. So we are trying to do. We will put this mudda on our election. Okay.
So you wanna say Yuva Neta will get
Yeah.
from this?
Yeah.
So what do you think? What will you do after winning elections?
After winning election, I will ask for voter to people, and as all politicians do that, he will make money, lots of money for next campaigning. As usual, I will do that type of things, and I will earn lots of money for next campaigning, and I will do that type of things. Which thing is not done by politician, and
Okay.
I want fame.
So you will earn money ultimately. Okay. So Rahul Dangi,
Yes.
what do you think? Is there any chance for your winning or not?
There are so many chance for winning
Okay.
because I have spent of money and I know how to motivate people for giving me their votes, and I am 100% sure for my winnings.
Oh, so you have did campaign very well and manipulated people, as you're saying.
Yes.
Okay. So as we see, they are looking so much motivated, both of them, and now we should wait for the election results. What the result will come, and then we will decide, and we will talk with them again. So if you want to get election updates from our channel, subscribe now and stay tuned with us. Thank you.